Hello everyone, I'm ATP and welcome to another episode of our Testing Indicator series. Today we have something really special for you. We are about to test an extremely popular strategy, one that everyone has heard of. Yes, I'm talking about the powerful RSI strategy. And the best part, we are putting this strategy to the test across over 4,000 trades on 10 different assets and across multiple time frames. You have probably seen hundreds of videos on YouTube talking about this strategy, but none of them show the proven results from a backtest as extensive as the one you are about to see today. Is this strategy actually profitable, or it is just another common theory? Well, prepare yourself because we are about to find out live. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. To start, I want to give a special thanks to our Discord member who suggested this amazing strategy. Thank you so much for the idea, and now we will see how it performs in a large-scale backtest. Stay tuned because the results are going to blow your mind. Also, if any of you have an indicator you would like to see tested in a future episode, drop it in the comments or share it in my free Discord community. The link is in the description. Now, let's set up the strategy on the charts and explain how the RSI works. Firstly, let's start by adding the indicator to our TradingView charts. Click on Indicators, then type RSI, and you can use this option here provided by TradingView. By definition, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is one of the most widely used indicators by traders to identify overbought and oversold conditions in the market. It oscillates between 0 and 100, and it's commonly used to pinpoint potential reversal points. For today's analysis, we will use it with a length of 20, and in the style section I will uncheck the RSI based MA and the RSI middle band. Then, to make it more visually appealing, I will change the RSI upper band color to green and the lower band to red. The rules, according to our Discord member, are simple. When the RSI crosses above the 70 level, it indicates that the market is overbought, and we will enter in long positions. And when the RSI crosses below the 30 level, it indicates that the market is oversold, and so we will enter in short positions. Simple as that. Now that we understand how the indicator works, let's move on to the backtest. For our testing, I will follow the same approach as usual. I will define our technical system, risk management rules, and testing conditions. The technical system will include using the RSI in addition with a 200 period exponential moving average to filter out some fake signals. Here we have an example of a long position where the price is above the 200 EMA, and here we have a short trade example where the price is below the baseline. For the risk management, I will insert the ATR bands indicator with a multiplier of 2, which will help us set our stop loss levels based on market volatility. As for the testing conditions, we'll backtest the RSI on the 30-minute, 1 hour and daily time frames using data from the last 24 months, so since December 2022 until December 2024, across a diverse asset portfolio including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, 3 currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index and the Apple stock. With everything set, let's dive into the backtesting process. While I could go back in time and test everything by hand, as probably all of you will do, I prefer to speed up this process. For that, I'm going to use my premium indicators testing bot, a trading tool that allows me to test hundreds of indicators and strategies in seconds and with proven results. You can find more information about this tool and how to use it on my website algotradepro.com, along with a video that explains its features and benefits. Almost 200 traders are using this tool with great feedback, so it's definitely worth checking out. Once we have set all the conditions, including the RSI, the 200 period EMA for baseline, and our risk management rules, the trading bot will execute every valid trade on the charts with a respective entry point, stop loss, and exit point. Also, you will see the monthly results displayed along with overall statistics for each asset in the Strategy Tester tab. Since I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot executes, which I will use to create my trading journals with all the information about this strategy. I will speed up this part of the video, but feel free to slow it down in the YouTube settings if you want to catch every detail. I will see you in a few seconds. After inserting all the trades into my trading journal, I got an analysis of about 4,300 trades across the 3 different time frames. In the 30-minute one, after more than 2,700 trades, the RSI Strategy got a win rate of 49.80% with a net loss of 36%. Here we have got some other stats, and in this table you can analyze the results of every single asset, where you can notice that the S&P 500 was the best performing asset, with a net profit of 61% and a 54% win rate, but the majority of the other assets were unprofitable, something reflected on the equity chart, which was unstable. Next, in the 1-hour time frame, the results were much better, because after 1,500 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate close to 53% and a net profit of 172%. Here you can find other important metrics, the results of every asset, where the Ethereum and the S&P 500 were the most profitable assets, and below you can find the overall equity chart, which, despite this drawdown here, had a growing trend. Finally, in the daily time frame, after 58 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of 53% and a small net profit of 8%, being Bitcoin the best performing asset. Based on these results, while the strategy was profitable on the 1-hour time frame and with certain assets, its performance across other time frames and assets wasn't as strong. Many YouTube videos show results from just a few trades, which don't prove a strategy's true robustness. We have tested it carefully across thousands of trades, giving a clear picture of its long-term potential. The strategy isn't bad, but as tested, it doesn't perform consistently. To improve its reliability, adding filters like other indicators or volume-based tools is crucial to reduce fake signals. Of course, it's important to note that these results are based on the specific conditions and settings I used for this test. If you change the conditions, settings, or even the assets, your results may change. So always test your strategies before putting them into practice. In this series, my objective is to test different indicators to discover which ones give us the highest probability of success. After evaluating the RSI alongside other indicators in this series, I've decided to place it in this position on our ranking table. Tell me in the comments if you agree with this position or not. This updated table is also available for free on my website, providing a comprehensive overview of all the indicators tested so far. Simply click on the free content option, scroll down a little bit, and click here, where you can find all these details. Also, if you are interested in improving your trading skills or would like to work with me one-on-one, you can explore my services on my website as well. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.